Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here to talk to you about an important environmental issue here. Here at Urban Auto, we do go through a lot of parts, a lot of product, and it's how we dispose of them properly. We do have different recycling techniques that we do use. This thing here is delivered through us through RPN, and it is any oil or fluid containers. You know, obviously we drain everything we can out of them, but these get sent off to them and they get properly recycled and reused. This one here, oil filters. All our oil filters go into this. This gets sent off to Safety Clean. They take care, they drain them all, crush them. Again, materials properly recycled. This is just our regular garbage disposal. Not a whole lot we can do with that. Cardboard, weekly pickup, everything gets flattened out and taken care of to properly get recycled. So here outside behind our building here, we have our scrap metal bin supplied to us by AIM Recycling. We do keep a lock on it. Scrap metal is pretty hefty business around here, as you know, catalytic conversion that get ripped off, but scrap metal that can all get recycled and all that. We keep all ours here. AIM separates it, recycles it properly for future use. Now here at our side of our building here, we stock up all our used tires. You know, they can't be used anymore. They again get sent out to be recycled, shredded down, and all the components, the metal and all that gets separated to be properly recycled and reused. Here we have our used oil tanks, engine oil, transmission fluids, gear oils, all that. These all go into here, and again they get sent off to Safety Clean, where they recycle them and repurpose them. This here is our coolant recycling jug. We don't just let it all go down the drain. We hold it, we keep it, and then we dump it out here for, again, proper recycling. You know, you can't just let this stuff all go down the sewer, guys. We got to take care of our planet because it's taking care of us. Urban Automotive, safety first.